How to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Libra woman. The connection between a Cancer man and a Libra woman is filled with charm and tenderness. Cancer seeks emotional depth and security, while Libra longs for harmony and balance. To make this love thrive, the Libra woman must learn how to win his trust and heart step by step. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Show true affection. A Cancer man values genuine care. Simple gestures, warm hugs, and consistent support make him feel loved and safe. Affection is the key to building trust. 2. Be patient with his emotions. Cancer men move slowly in love. A Libra woman must allow him to open up in his own time. Patience shows respect for his sensitive nature. 3. Combine charm with sincerity. Libra women naturally shine in social settings. However, to capture his heart, she must pair elegance with honesty. A Cancer man treasures authenticity above all. 4. Accept his protective side. He has a strong instinct to nurture and protect. Instead of resisting, the Libra woman should appreciate this quality, as it deepens his devotion. 5. Create comfort and stability. Home and belonging mean everything to a Cancer man. By creating warmth, whether through shared meals or thoughtful traditions, she speaks directly to his heart. 6. Maintain balance and peace. Libra's strength is harmony. Using this gift, she can calm his moods and provide the emotional balance he desires in a relationship. Learning how to make a Cancer man fall in love with a Libra woman requires tenderness, patience, and balance. When her charm meets his sensitivity, a lasting romance blossoms. Together, they can build a relationship full of love, peace, and emotional security. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.